Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. You go to destination for all things tech. Today, we've got a super handy tutorial for all Android users out there. We're diving into how you can update all your apps in just a few taps. Whether you're looking to get the latest features or ensure your apps are running smoothly and securely, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First things first, unlock your Android device and head over to the Google Play Store. It's the hub where all your app updates happen. Once you're in the Play Store, look for the profile icon on the top right corner of your screen. Tap on it to reveal a menu with several options. Now find and select Manage Apps and Devices. This is where you can manage all your app updates and installations. After clicking on Updates Available, you can see all the updates pending. To update all your apps at once, simply tap on Update All. But if you prefer to update your apps individually, you can do so by tapping the Update button next to each app's name. And there you have it. You now know how to keep all your apps up to date on your Android device. Updating regularly is key to enjoying the latest features and keeping your device secure. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update from us.